Can you really buy a house with $0 in your bank account? Sounds impossible, right? Well, what if I told you that thousands of Americans are doing it, and you can too? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to buy a house with no money down, no crazy credit score, and no hidden gimmicks. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll have a real plan to make homeownership a reality, even if you're flat broke. Most people still believe you need a 20% down payment to buy a house. That's outdated. In today's real estate market, there are multiple no-money down home loan options, and they're legit government-backed programs that help people just like you. Let's start with USDA loans. If you're looking to buy in a rural or suburban area, you might qualify for a USDA loan. These are 100% financing home loans, meaning zero down payment. Plus, they often have lower interest rates than conventional loans. Are you a veteran or active duty military? If yes, then VA loans are your golden ticket. These are 100% no down payment VA loans with no private mortgage insurance or PMI, and you can qualify even with lower credit scores. Now, if you don't qualify for USDA or VA, don't worry. FHA loans only require 3.5% down. But here's the trick, that down payment can come from gift funds. Yup, your parents, employer, or even a charitable organization can gift you the money. That's still buying a house with no money of your own. Across the US, there are down payment assistance programs that can give you thousands of dollars toward your first home. These can be state, city, or even employer-sponsored grants and loans. Some are forgivable, meaning you never have to pay them back. Here's a next-level strategy. Ask for seller concessions. This means the seller agrees to cover some or all of your closing costs. Smart buyers negotiate this right into their purchase contract. Combined with other programs, you could walk in with zero cash needed. Another option? Rent-to-own or lease-to-own homes. These let you rent a property with part of your rent, going toward the eventual purchase. It's a slower path, but great if your credit or savings need time to improve. Here's the truth. You don't need money. You need knowledge, strategy, and a plan. But here's the mistake most people make. They wait. Don't wait until you have enough. Start talking to lenders, research local programs, and explore your options today. Buying a house with no money isn't a scam. It's a smart use of available tools. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world money tips that actually work. Drop a comment if you've used one of these strategies or want help figuring out which one's best for you. Home ownership is closer than you think. Now go get that key.